Yeah, you know, a lot of people thought that rock and roll would never make it to Nunavut. And I don't mean to be like, you know, egotistical and stuff, but my band made it. You know? Went up there, and we're all like, hey, and they were like, didn't know what we were saying. So then we were like back in the van and got a dictionary, and then we learned hello, and we went back out of the van, and we went there, and they were all like, Kluklan. And they were all like, Kluklan, and then, you know, we just started rocking. Like, rocked out the back of the van. It was around, I don't know, 10 at night. Beautiful day. It's gorgeous, just totally sunny. 10 at night, man. And we finished that first set, and they were blown away. You know? I've never felt that before. Such pure, pure love of rock for people. We finished a set, and they gave us these glasses. They're made of bone. Bone. Keep the sun out. It was a good time, man. And we're still here. Van broke down that first night. It's been about 4 months. Bass player died. Kirk. It's pretty heavy. And no one up here in this village knows how to play bass, so songs got a little more sad, a little more sparse, you know, a little less rock. A more blues. Still sunny. I haven't taken these glasses off since the first day.